Hmm. I woke up few minutes before. I'm seeing the time for the third time. Two time I said and I deleted it. The time is somewhere around 8:10. So and what do you call it? अरे हाँ, look, my clothes are very clean. They accuse me of racist. I want to give my content to every race. Huh? So gather people, gather everyone. You do your thing. But don't tell me that I am gathering. I want a team. My team will kick my ass. The people who I work with. And those are string attached people. Professionals. Those are. They will kick my ass. They'll, you got a team. Work with them. Do your thing. English word. The data has been compromised. People are not leaving me, so I have to take this decision. But it should be a right decision if I have to. I should be happy after that. English word. So the one who sold the files huh, before the court thing done, you don't have to worry about them. You just do a press conference, gather every race people, do a press conference, whoever wanna do work on it, and those who what do you call it? Give these details. The files went viral. Give these details. The files went viral, and there was gonna be a race thing. So you just give these details and just shut it then. Give these details, but don't take these people. These are the suspect from the floors. What do you call it? 19 September. I suspect they'll be. Their behavior is kind of weird when I speak about 19 September from the floor. It will become that the one who sold the file, they'll also, what do you call it, trying to be a part of that press conference. Don't be, stay clean. Criminal activities I'll drop in some other way. And this one. Do a proper press conference. Uh, give details that the files are compromised. You want to work, gather every race people. So no one will come against you. And you will go to any production, things will happen. Huh? Even if you are a non-professional, things will happen. You're not professional, things will happen. But the one who sold the files, you don't have to do anything. Entire Bombay is gonna fuck their happiness. The files are viral everywhere. Entire Bombay is gonna fuck their happiness and their production's happiness. That's the reason they came after me. And with their crimes as well, fake bank accounts. There is a chain. When I came to know in police station, there is a chain. So there will, I suspect there will be GPS spoofers who got money. But the production pays money to the seller. Then the seller pays to GPS spoofers, false accusers. So it's a chain. That's how things run. So that chain will be grabbed too. And production, what I got to do with that? Who get घाई का काम शैतान का है, कभी भी याद रखना है. घाई का काम शैतान का है. So the one who sold the files, they shouldn't be a part of that press conference. Make sure, keep clean people around you. Otherwise, you will, anyone points at you, you will get framed for everything. for their crimes. So whoever it is, it should be a clean fellow, clean people. No one should point a finger at you people. Clean and professional people. Professional, even if you are not professional, things will work because the race thing will get finished. Yeah. For me being a racist, it's finished. जो पोर्ट्रे किया था ना, it's finished. After that statement, I'll give it to every race. And files have got viral. What can I do? करने वाले ने मादर चोदी कर दिया है. मादर चोदी करने वाले ने कर दिया है. पुलिस अभी क्या? There is no arrest. And the what do you call it? The bank fraud, the one who did the files viral. Don't what do you call it? Don't worry about them. And the crooked production who bought that stolen files. Don't worry about them. The entire public is gonna fuck their happiness because they were gonna create the riots. Files are what do you call it? Viral in Mumbai, it will get viral in the entire country. And the artists have to travel, and I'll drop in some such evidences so the people from the press conference will use those evidences in time. It will be very useful. But if you cannot do that press conference, you are nothing. You are what do you call it? You are just a ghost then. How I go out in public? How I come out in public? People are cancelling my press conference. So, keep a proper press conference so you could the one who sold the files who gets in for what? Stolen drives, LAN server scamming, fake bank accounts, GPS spoof markets is in that fake bank account. Then sextortion, nude makings, clones, hidden bugs. Then the Facebook Live thing, tracking and traffic. So they are into serious troubles. These are severe crimes and murder attempts. These are severe crimes. Entire Bombay has those files. They are not going to leave them. No one is going to. But you, the one who does the press conference, gathers every race, even if you are not professional, you are the stars. You are the stars. You people are the stars. My clothes are very clean. They are not supposed to be connected to any scam. They should be what do you call it, from every race. So the race thing ends, and me being racist, it's over. They accused me of being racist, and they were doing it, and everyone started coming after me. So I have to push everyone back. It's not like I gathered 10 people and I pushed everyone of a single race. No, I pushed everyone back alone. And fuck my happiness, I'll fuck yours too. So this is how I am. So don't worry about the sold files. It's never to be worried of. Not to be worried of. They dug their own grave. What can I do? What can anyone do? How will I stop their hand if I don't know who they are? To know them, to find them, that's why I went to police. And if police was not capable, I brought them out as well. The one who does the hidden camera, and I brought them out, right? Out in the surveillance. Still arrests are not made. What can I do? Situation is kind of compromised if they won't get arrested. What do you call, for selling files and creating the race thing? Public is gonna already have them. Because everyone are waiting those files to be exposed on screen. Come out in screen. Some art material. And you people, if you gather every race people and you are clean people, then you are the real winners. That's why मैं बोला था ना, घाई का काम शैतान का है. घाई का काम शैतान का है. I will give everything, the publishing rates, everything. But gather clean people यार. एकदम मस्त अच्छे लोग जिनका स्कैम से कुछ लेना देना नहीं. अच्छे लोग गैदर फ्रॉम एवरी रेस, डू दैट इंटरव्यू. काम होए नहीं होए कुछ ये नहीं, सामने से पब्लिक आती है कि नहीं देखो. See the fun. I really have a magic kid. It keeps on popping up. You are a magician, a warlock. What warlock I am? I'm not a warlock. I only know how to stay clean and what do you call it? I have the presence of mind, you may say. I know what is to be done. Come on, I'm the guy who fucked with 50,000 scammers. You believe this shit? Who does this? Who fought back with 50,000 scammers? Someone would have went away from the state. I still go into the fucking bomb, and I'm gonna still go after that threat as well. I gotta answer that threat very nicely. So. No. Well, do that press conference and do everything. And the scammers who sold the files from the clone and everything, the bank chain is everywhere. So even if the shop is involved, they bought something from the shop, that shop also gets sealed. Me though I don't do online payment, I pay in cash. So the shops around, wherever they are, they should be. That's what the cops told me. That they have to lock the accounts of the shops as well, where they shop. That's the thing.